so envious of you guys because there are many chances and many opportunities in the university that you can take advantage of. Entire workshop is about how to think about what do I want to achieve, to be ambitious, and how to achieve these goals that you set for yourself. Why we would really want to invite Hans to give this workshop, because this is not only that he talks about, but that it's embodied in his entire career.
A lot of learning takes place outside the formal learning environment. You get to know people, you get to know a network, you need to know what work is really like. Go to an office, learn that way because you're learning from others.
In a moment I'll get you to stand up and start introducing yourself to a few people. So just shake hands or whatever you want to do and just meet a couple of people. Got that? Get up. I want everybody to be sitting in a different seat next to somebody else they do not know.
It was a really good experience today, frankly. We really explored the comfort zone concept, pushing to the boundaries a few times.
A couple of things that have been happening to us. So, over the next 5 years, what kind of challenges have you got coming your way? All the challenges that we discovered earlier on, they're all out there. They're outside your comfort zone, so you have to push this.
People were responding, saw a good few smiles. You see that kind of nod, and it's a really pleasant thing to see.
我们有用一个14个 element 的小故事，就是它里面有石头呀，有 conductor 啊。那一开始你在做这个活动的时候是很有互动性跟参与感的，但是到后面那 speaker 才会跟我们说这个活动的内核是什么。你藉由思考去想说什么是正确的，而不是说告诉你什么是正确的。所以我觉得这个蛮重要。
真的有一点让我就是打破之前的一些价值观想法，大家都会有想要做的事情，想要达到的事情，他用一个很实际的方式去拆解它。那如果我们有一个东西想要去 have， 我们要先怎么 be， 成为那个有这样特质的人。
What I would like them to take away is to generate a vision. What do they want to get for themselves? In an ideal world, where would you like to be in 2-3 years' time? And I think you should really develop that vision, test it, and then work your way towards it. And don't be shy, ask other people to help you out and to share that vision. So develop that vision, have that first, and the rest will fall in place, and work hard at it.